Like it came off the showroom floor. New tires, the whole deal. All fixed up original.
Fully run on it there too.
Brand new tires.
Brand new tires there. Looks like everything else is new too, guys, like it's been on the showroom floor. Here we go. Just a 51H, guys. Farmall here, narrow front here, gas belt, pulley right here, PTO. New 12.4 by 11 by 38 tires right here, guys. Look at here. Okay, lights and all right here. Having another ton of 7 right here now. 7 ton of the man of 5 ton of the man of 5 of 5 3. 3 ton of the man of 3 3 3. 3 3 2 2 now 3. 2 ton here. We get 3 and 3 and 1 of the man of 3. 2 ton of the man of 3 3 3. 2 ton here 2500. 2 ton of the man of 25 25 25 25. 2 ton of the man of 2500 and the man of 25. 2 ton here 25 5. 2 ton of the 25 now 3. 3 3 3. 3 3 3 3 35 35 35 35 35. 3 ton here to 35. Now 4 4 4 4. 3500 and the man of 4 and 4 and 4 4 4 35 37 and a half. And in there all the way 37 and a half. 3500 and the man of 37 and a half. 37 and a half. 3500 and the man of 37 buddy 3500 and the man of 37 and a half. 35 36 35 3600. 3500 and the man of 36 3500 and the man of 36 3500 and the man of 36. 3500 here we get 36 36 35 6 7 7 7 37 37 37 37 37 3600 on the man of 37 3600 on the man of 37 emails 37 3600 here we're gonna get 37 37 38 888 38 38 38 3700 on the man of 38 8 3700 on the man of 38 3700 on the man of 38 3800 38 so $3,700 number $3,700 number 263 number